from SewCraftCook. If you've got one of our large sewing kits, you'll have some sewing machine needles in it, size 11, 14 and 16. I'm going to show you now what they're useful for. As a general rule, the lower the number needle, the lighter the fabric. So in your pack you've got a size 11, that's useful for silk, chiffon and organza. The size 14 is for heavier weights such as cotton, polyester and linen. And the number 16 is for heavier fabric again, such as denim, canvas and upholstery. With your needle, you have a round section at the front and the back is flat. That back goes in this way to pop it in and change the needle. So we'll drop our foot out first. Each machine's a little bit different how you do that. We're going to undo this little screw here and drop out our old needle, holding it with the back flat, pop that in to the hole. Screw your needle back in again. Just tighten up that screw. Give it a little wiggle, make sure it's held in tight. And then you can pop your foot back on again. And your needle's threaded. Make sure it goes down your hole and back up. All good.